what we classify as acceptable. So this is 1,000, two of them are 1,000 microns, so that is 1 millimeter. So if you have your car all panels sprayed like that, I wouldn't buy the car, right? But if we're measuring this is 500. This pretty much is 0.5 millimeter, right? And you would normally see that on when the car has been resprayed fully, like renovation for the classic cars, you know, that's okay, right? And then if we have two of them together, like 1 millimeter, and the car is all the way around like that, I wouldn't want to buy the car also, right? But what happens sometimes, yes, it could be some dings and they can just put filler on and do it in some random place of the door, let's just assume, and you get some of those readings in just few places, it's fine, right? I mean, but then if we get in 3 cards, put them together, that would be representing your filler on a door, as we assume this is a door, right? So if we take in reading, that goes to 1.5. 1,500, that's microns, right? So that would be 1.5 millimeters. And if you have something like that, right? And if you can add another one, that would be 2 millimeters. And you have so many panels sprayed and filled with the filler like this, I wouldn't, right? But if you got one, I mean, if you got 2, that would be 1 millimeter. That's how thick would the layer of the filler would be under the coating, right? Some areas change the panel and they couldn't do it better. I mean, it's a body repairs, right? As long as there's not many. But if you got this, which is 0.5 mil, you know, 0.5 millimeters, in all the way around, it means the car has been resprayed, prepped, old classic car, you know, excellent job would be like 350, 300 microns, you know, 380, that would be excellent job, you know. So that's what you can see when you're buying a car, you know, so use us, we'll have a look for you. Hope it makes sense. Take care.